Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Dhatre. Today I am going to introduce my final year project, which is Pathological Medical Testing Model. So our project is basically a medical testing model which will be developed to perform some medical tests using knowledge of image processing, where Raspberry Pi Zero mini card size computer will be employed as the heart of a project. The test procedure includes adding reagents to received sample of patient and then observing the color changes based on which reports will be generated. To achieve this, a program is constructed using Python and fed to onboard mini computer which then perform desired operations. The camera module interfaced with the Raspberry Pi captures images at certain interval and provided to the software where image is segmented depending on a number of tests and then processed to generate an output. A luminous source is also required so as to maintain proper lighting conditions to avoid any color variation in the image capture or any misleading to undesirable results. The selection of tests can be done by using mobile Android application and then generated results would be sent back to person via communication medium. For decision making of the test results, we have used a linear regression. Linear regression is one of the easiest algorithm in machine learning. Regression analysis is a form of predictive modeling technique which investigates the relationship between dependent and the independent variable. Regression shows the changes in dependent variable on y-axis to the changes in variable on x-axis. How it is performed? To perform a regression, first of all we need the data set of a particular test. The data set consists of color and test values. First step is to print the data set and decide the x and y values which we want to plot on the graph. After collecting the x and y values, for example in our case, x-axis indicates the color and y-axis indicates the test values. By using equation of line y equals to mx plus c, we have plotted the regression line of a particular test. Use of regression in our project. Regression is used for final decision making result of the test and R-square value is used to find accuracy and good fit of the model. The code which we have used and the required data set, all the details are given in the description box, so you can go through it for better understanding of the concept. After plotting the regression line, now we want to know good fit of the model or to find accuracy of a regression plot. For this, we have used a R-square method. R-square indicates how much variation of a dependent variable is explained by independent variable in a regression model. By using scikit-learn, R-square value can be calculated. The range of R-square should be between 0 to 1. It should not be greater than 1. If a R-square value closely resembles to 1, then our model is good fit and our plot is accurate. As you can see on the screen, we have chosen the 4 tests. The tests are jaundice, calcium, cholesterol and sugar test. The actual color of a jaundice test is yellow. So we have made the data set that includes the RGB value of a green color and values of a jaundice test. By performing regression for each color, we get R-square value of each color. So in jaundice case, R-square value of a red color closely resembles to 1. So we have chosen red color for decision making of the jaundice test. Similarly for other tests also the same method is followed. For calcium, R-square value of a blue color is resembles to 1. Therefore the blue color is selected for calcium test. For cholesterol test, R-square value of a green color is resembles to 1. Therefore the green color is selected for cholesterol. Similarly for the sugar, the R-square value of a grey color resembles to 1. Therefore the grey color is selected for sugar test. So in this way, we can use a regression for finding the good fit of the model and to find accuracy of the model. If you like the content, please like and share the video. Thanks for watching.